Now we will speak about some basic data types, and I would like to start with string. String means text. So in programming language, the text is called string, and it's common in many programming languages. So string or text. We know a lot about string, right? So if I want to write, for example, or print out hello, I will write it like this. So it means I need a quotes and write hello. You can use single quote or double quote. It's up to you. So I will run it and it will print hello. That's normal. Be careful, because if you write something like hello plus another string, for example David, I just put the space here and run it, it will print out hello David. So plus means it connects two strings together. Okay, so that's the reason why we need to be careful if you write, for example, something like this, because if you write something like this, it means it is not number for Python. Python see it like string as well. So if you write something like this and you will expect the result 25, that is not, because it's absolutely the same like this. So two strings and just connect it together. So you will see 1 0 1 5 10 15. Okay, so you have to be careful if you work with numbers. You have to be careful if it is number, if it is string, and so on. Okay, now I would like to show you another thing with string. If you write hello, again it's normal, no surprise, it will print out hello. Okay, but you can write something like this, these brackets and 0, for example 0. So it means it will print out H. You can see it. Okay, so why H? Because H, every letter has its own number. H is 0, E is 1, L 3, or sorry 2, 4, 5. So if I will write, I will connect it out for clarity. I will write something like 0 1 2 3 4, and I will run it. It will print hello. So H is 0, E is 1, first L is 2, and so on. So be careful, because every letter has its own number, but it starts with 0, not with 1. Okay, and this is very important. So okay, so this is string.